Here's a video that might be helpful for someone who is going to have some type of problems with their column caps to where they have some type of a screened porch or something that's going to make it difficult for them to pull the post out or even support the beam. So if you have a situation like this where you have a couple of posts, maybe they connect in the center, you have a post that is in the center of the beam, maybe a couple on the edge, then the first thing I want to point out is what these connectors are actually doing. And this connector here is connecting the beam to the post. Makes sense, right? This connector here is also doing the same, connecting the beam to the post, but this one here isn't. It actually needs to connect the two beams together as well as connect it to the post. So depending upon your situation, you just need to be familiar with the fact that you need to connect the components together. So if you have a component like this one here where it's connected to a solid beam, then you're just going to need to connect the post to the beam. So what if you have a situation where the weld is, where it's broke somehow, where it was welded together? And again, this can simply be fixed by re-welding the joints together. So you can always get a welder in here, put a strap on here, and reinforce this by welding. And if not, you can make your own or pick something up at a local home improvement center, some type of hardware, to where, again, you can connect everything together by using another metal plate or other different types of hardware, something to where you could leave the existing post cap there, but reinforce it somehow. Now, if the hanger is badly damaged, and the picture that I was sent, it was rusted, looked pretty bad, in bad shape. If that's the case, you might be able to cut it out with some type of a grinder or maybe a Sawzall with a metal blade on it. Something, if you can remove the hanger somehow, you can always put a strap over it, something like this. And of course, it would connect to the other side. You would need one on the other side as well. Something else that might work if you do not have a column cap in the way would be to use a strap like this, or two straps like this to connect the post to the beam. And if you need to connect the post to the beam and the two beams together, then you could always run a couple of straps like this. And of course, these straps can go over these straps, or these straps can go over these straps, depending upon what you're dealing with. And you could always contact a local metal fabricator to provide you with something that might need to be a little longer to go over your existing column caps if they can't be welded together, or if they're too badly damaged and cannot be removed for some reason. You're going to need something that is going to connect everything back together, and you might need to just go a little longer on all of the sides, and that's where a metal fabricator could come in and make the difference. Now, remember, these are just suggested methods. They might not work for you, and you might need to contact a structural engineer or some type of an engineer in your area. These people know what the winds are. They know what how fast the wind is going to be blowing. They know what's going to work in your area a lot more than I do. I'm in Southern California. We don't get a lot of hurricanes. Might get some strong winds, but we don't get hurricane winds out here. If there were ever hurricanes to come to California, you'd see a lot of buildings blow apart because they're not rated for that. So hope it helps, and if it does, you know what to do. Hit the old thumbs up button.